Look at this beautiful muscle that we call the pectoralis major, this broad muscle that makes up the chest. Now, what's interesting about skeletal muscle fibers, or the cells that make up like a muscle like the pec and the other skeletal muscles, is that the cells, or these fibers, they cannot divide. So two questions we have to answer with that. Let's say we had a condition where many of these skeletal muscle fibers died off. And in that case, we could not replace those. Now, there's a small little asterisk to this where there's a little bit of an exception, but for the most part, if you have massive necrosis or cellular death of the skeletal muscle, you can't replace those fibers or those cells. And so the second question is, how do you get bigger if the cells can't divide? Well, the muscle fibers, or the cells that we do have, they just enlarge. They increase the number of contractile protein subunits inside. They also increase their organelles, and even some fluid content can increase. And so think about this. If the cell literally gets bigger and all these cells get bigger, which we call hypertrophy, the whole muscle will enlarge, and then you can have a bulging pec like the Incredible Hulk.